Good morning, ma'am. My name is Y. Naveen Kumar Reddy. I am from Civil Department. My roll number is 2440180121. Let us see the question. Determine the triple integral of x plus y plus z into dz plus dy plus dx, where R is the region bounded by the planes. Let us see x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1. Y is equal to 0, y is equal to 1. Z is equal to 0, z is equal to 1. Now let us solving the problem. Given triple integral of x into y, x plus y plus z into dz plus dy plus dx is equal to integral of 0 to 1, integral of 0 to 1, integral of z is to 0 to 1. Let us see x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1 here in the given in the question. X plus y plus z dz plus dy dz into dy into dx. Now triple integral of r into x plus y plus z into dz dy plus dx is equal to integral of x is equal to 0 to 1 and integral of y is equal to 0 to 1 xz plus yz plus z square by 2. Now applying the limits 0 to 1 dy into dx, integral of 0 to 1 and integral of 0 to 1. Now applying the limits x plus y plus z 1 by 2 into dy into dx, integral of 0 to 1 xy plus y square by 2 plus 1 by 2 into y, integral of 0 to 1 dx, integral of 0 to 1 x plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into dx, integral of 0 to 1 x plus 1 into dx. Now x square by 2 plus 1 into 0 to 1. Now applying the limits in x place 1 by 2 plus 1 is equal to 2 plus 1, 2 into 1 1, 2 plus 1 3, here 3 by 2. Thank you for giving golden opportunity.